But where does it go? Where does it stop? Watch for the sign of the lollipop. Stop! It's the Y bird stop.
Just look at that. Lovely creamy mushrooms with herbs. What's this? Looks like baked cauliflower cheese. Oh, yummy yum, scrummy scrum.
Hello. Hello, why? What you up to?
Oh, hello, Simon. I'm just looking through this cookery book. There's lots of recipes I like the look of in here, you know.
It's delicious. Actually, most of them have got vegetables in as well. Oh, look at that. Carrot cake.
Carrot cake? Sounds a bit strange. I like chocolate cake and fruit cake, but I don't think I've even heard of carrot cake before. Actually, carrots are my favourite vegetable, so I probably like carrot cake.
Probably would. What else have we got in here? Oh, mixed bean salad. Now, I do like beans.
Oh, yes, so do I, especially baked beans.
That reminds me why, actually. What sort of bean can you get that you can't cook, you can't eat, but you can buy in a toy shop?
In a toy shop?
Yes.
Oh, don't be silly, Simon. Can't buy beans in a toy shop.
Oh, yes, you can. Why?
Oh, no, you can't, Si. You buy beans in a greengrocer's or a supermarket.
No.
Not a toy shop. Whew.
Can you guess? What kind of bean is it that you can't eat, you can't cook, but you can buy in a toy shop?
Ooh, well, I don't know.
The answer? Some toy Mexican jumping beans.
Oh, look at those! Hey, Simon, they're nearly jumping off the plate.
Yes!
Far away and long ago, in a land called Mexico, lived the tiniest man you've ever seen, and he had some amazing jumping beans. When he held out his hand, the people would come from miles around to see the jumping beans jump. Jump beans jump, the crowd would shout, and the jumping beans would jump about. Jump beans jump for the girls and boys, and the jumping beans would jump for joy. Jump beans jump, the crowd would roar, and the jumping beans would jump some more. Jump beans jump for the girls and boys, and the jumping beans would jump for joy.
I better put these jumping beans away. Oh, why? They're still jumping!
Now, to make that carrot cake, I'd need some carrots, so I'd have to go to a greengrocer's shop. Certainly not a toy shop. Have you ever wondered, though, where the greengrocer gets his vegetables from? Should we find out? Right. V for vegetable. Very, very early in the morning, when it's still dark, greengrocers like Simon Larkin go off to a special market to buy their fruit and vegetables, while most of us are still asleep.
ready?
Oh, that's lovely. Nice and quick, ladies. Thank you.
Yes.
What should we have today? Should we get some oranges? Right, you put 2 oranges in there then. And some nice pineapples for tea. Yes, go on. And what vegetables should we have? Oh, these green beans look nice. Yes?
Look, these are all crooked.
They're funny, aren't they? Let me get some carrots. And you get the potatoes? Yep, put them in there then. Come on. Hello.
Seeing all those vegetables has made me feel rather peckish. Mind you, I don't think I'd like to be a greengrocer, for it means getting up at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning to go to market. Do you know, some farmers' vegetables never get to market at all. Take a look. The vegetable.
Rabbits aren't the only ones who like cabbages. Have you ever seen a cabbage with lots of tiny holes on it like this? Have you? Now, who do you think has been nibbling away at this cabbage? Any ideas why?
Ooh, well, I think I know, Simon. Was it a caterpillar? I mean, I can't see it now, but he must have been very hungry. There's lots of holes.
My guess is that it would be a caterpillar as well. A little fella just like this.
Aww.
Eating its way through the cabbage leaves. Now, I know a story about a caterpillar, a very hungry caterpillar. Here we go. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. And on one Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look around for some food. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple. But he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. Ooh. And the next day was Sunday again, and the caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a great big fat caterpillar, and he built a small house called a cocoon around himself, and he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.
Oh, yes, that hungry caterpillar did turn into a beautiful butterfly. Its wings were as colourful as, well, all the fruit and veg in the market.
That's right. You know why? Even the bits of vegetables we throw away are colourful, and you can still make things with them.
What, you mean like bits of potato peelings and things like that?
That's right, why?
Oh.
Why don't we make a man's face?
Oh, yes.
We've got lots of bits and pieces here. What should we have for eyes?
Oh, what are those two big red things over there?
Now, these are the tops of red peppers.
Oh, yes,
Do you have
so
those
they
as
are.
eyes? OK, 2 big red eyes.
Big googly eyes.
Now, what else do we need? I suppose we have a nose of some sort.
Nose. We got a bit of carrot or something?
We've got a couple of bits of carrot. Actually, there you are. And that end of a carrot there, that'll make a good nose.
Oh, yes, be a bit crooked, but never mind.
One big crooked carrot nose, plonk it in the middle, there we are. What's next?
Mouth.
A mouse.
Mouth.
We've got cabbage and stalks and potato peeling. A potato peeling.
Oh,
would be
yes,
good for
why
that.
not?
Is that mouth shaped? Is that mouth shaped? Yeah, I think that's mouth shaped. Let's put that there. A big smiley mouse. There.
Now we need some hair, Simon.
Oh, yes.
Hey, tell you what. Why don't we use some of that cabbage?
Oh, yes, I'm sure the caterpillar wouldn't mind. Let's get a bit of cabbage, rip off a leaf, and then our man can have some cabbagey green hair. That'll be OK. Because what other kind of hair would you have if you were a vegetable man? Apart from
Well, I
cabbage
don't
hair?
know, really. Bit of broccoli.
There you go. Actually, I'll put him with a side parting coming from left to right there. Oh, very smart. And there he is.
Oh, Simon, I like it. Very funny. Can we do another one?
Oh, all right, then should we do another one? Yes, let's do another one. What kind of man shall we have this time?
Let's give him a moustache.
Oh, all right then. Now, I have to look through our bits and pieces again.
We need some small eyes this time.
Oh, well, what about carrot tops?
Oh, all right then.
They're quite small. Got some carrot tops? OK. One there. And one there. We'll have them quite far apart as well, because he's a wide-eyed man.
Wide-eyed, crooked-eyed.
Yes. Now, the
nose.
nose again. What about a bit of... can I have a bit of cauliflower?
Oh, yes. I've heard of cauliflower ears, but never cauliflower noses.
There you are, a bit of cauliflower for the nose.
Now, we want a mouth now.
Yes. What about... Shall we have a carrot mouth this time?
Oh, all right then.
Right, a bit of carrot mouth in this well. Carrot eyes and carrot mouth. There.
There, now we need the moustache. Oh, what about some broccoli?
OK, then. We put some bits of broccoli together. Get some nice big bits of broccoli. There. Look at that. Sort of Frenchman's broccoli, a moustache. Oh, j'ai le dentoleur, j'ai le moustache.
Do you know, Simon, I can't help thinking that I recognise this person.
Really?
I know. He looks like you.
Thank you very much, wife. Thank you very much. Do you know, you can get all these bits and bobs and tops of parsnips and tops of carrots, and if you put some water on them on a plate, then after a week, they will look like that.
Oh, look at that.
And if you leave them on the windowsill where they can get lots of sun, after a month, they will grow and look like that.
It's like a miniature forest. Oh, yes. You could ask someone for the top off a carrot and see how tall it grows, couldn't you? No wonder I like carrots so much. You can eat them and grow plants from them. Not like your jumping beans, eh, Simon?
Well, you might not be able to eat my jumping beans, but I think they're fun, don't you? Here we go.
Far away and long ago, in a land called Mexico, lived the tiniest man you've ever seen. And he had some amazing jumping beans. And when he held out his hand, the people would come from miles around to see the jumping beans jump. Jump beans jump, the crowd would shout, and the jumping beans would jump about. A jump beans jump for the girls and boys, and the jumping beans would jump for joy. Jump beans jump, the crowd would roar, and the jumping beans would jump some more. A jump beans jump for the girls and boys, and the jumping beans would jump for joy.
Actually, why, these jumping beans are making me want to jump all over the place. Phew. Actually, I don't think that farmer would think it was very funny if he was growing Mexican jumping beans to you. And I don't think he'd think it was funny if he saw that rabbit at work. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Now, I need to take some things on the bus with me for the other stops. Some seasidey things for the tent stop. Bucket and spade. Better take a towel as well. And, and one of these. Plastic crab. Ooh. And for the pat stop, I want to take a basket of Play-Doh. There we go. Now, it's time for us to go. I think I've got everything.
Simon,
Oh, yes, why?
I've just thought of my wise word of the week.
And what is it?
It is crooked. Like these crooked vegetable faces on our plates.
Crooked. Crooked. Yes, it's a good word, that, isn't it? Because it's a sort of word that sounds crooked as you say it. Crooked. All right, then. See you next time. Bye.
I'm glad my beak isn't crooked. Hey, you could have a go at making some crooked faces if you wanted to at home, couldn't you? Oh, look, he's gone again. Simon, wait for me. See you next time. Bye-bye. Simon.